Hello, welcome. In this video we are going to start playing some Beethoven. Yes, you are finally there. You can play Ode to Joy on your ukulele. I'll walk you through the lesson, but of course most of the learning happens when you do the homework and when you ask questions in the comments below, because I've seen the community has really come through and helping answering questions. Also, let's give a big round of applause, digital hug to Luisa. She's the one that does the timestamps to these videos. So if you scroll down to the first comment and it says timestamp, you can click on those numbers and skip to any part of the lesson that you want to. You don't have to look for it yourself. She's doing this for the whole 30-day youth challenge. So let's give her some love and appreciation. Alrighty, let's tackle this song. A lot of the beginning is on this string here, A string. So let me play it for you and then we'll do it together. So if you're looking at the tab in front of you, the printable is free. We have 0, 0, 1, 3, 3, 1, 0. Please use your index finger and your ring finger for the notes we're playing on this phrase. We don't need the middle finger just yet. So let's try it together if you're ready. If not, just watch again. 1, 2, 1, 2, slowly. Freeze. Try again. 1, 2, it's all on the same string. 1, 2, ready, go. 0, 0, 1, 3, 3, 1, 0. If you studied the chromatic scale, then you can say the notes to yourself. A, B, C, C, B, A. So whatever helps you learn, use that strategy. Okay, here we go. One more time. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Next part, watch me do it. We're on the next string over. We're on E string. We have G, F, F, G. If you studied the chromatic scale, that makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, please go to the chromatic scale video, and then that way you will know your way around the fingerboard and the note names when you're pressing something. So I'm going to play from the beginning to there. You can watch or you can play along. 1, 2, ready, go. A, B, C, C, B, A, G. F, F, G, A, G, G. So the end of that phrase is just A, G, G. So let's try that together. 1, 2, first line, ready, go. Now listen to the second line. It's almost the same. Listen. So I'm going to leave that to you to practice. Okay, so pause here if you need to practice. Okay, let's do the second line. 1, 2, ready, go. If there's a challenging part of the song, it will be the third line. So if you can, put your ukulele to the side right now and just watch me as I play it, and then we'll work together through it. Okay, so just watch. I'm going to take it a little slower, but just keep watching. Okay, grab your uke. Let's go to the G note. This is on the 3rd fret of E. We have G, G, A, F. Okay, so let's try it together. 1, 2, ready, go. Try again. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, the next part goes like this. Watch me first. Try it together. 1, 2, ready, go. We just have to move a little fast on that 0, 1, 0 part. Try again. Ready, go. Next part. 1, 2, ready, go. Again. 1, 2, ready, go. And the last part is just 1, 3, and then open on C. So the notes there are F, G, C. Try it. 1, 2, ready, go. So let's try the third line together. Good luck. We'll try and take it a little slower. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. I know that this part is probably going to take more practice than just sitting on with the video and watching, so please do not stress out about it. And the last line of the song is actually exactly the same as the second line, so let's go straight through it. 1, 2, last part, ready, go. Let's do that again. I'm gonna play it on this angle just so you can see the hand. Let's do that again. 1, 2, last part, go. Pause the video here. Try to learn the whole song. And then come back when you're ready to play through it all. So let's try and do the whole song. Don't pause the video. Just try to jump back in if you mess up. 1, 2, 1, 2, beginning, go. Line 2. Line 3. Line 4. Okay, now I want you to play the melody and I will play chords so that together we sound kind of like a band. So be careful, you and I are going to be playing something different, okay? So this time don't really watch my hands, read your music. 1, 2, 1, 2, beginning, go. Line 2. Line 3, sorry to stop you. Let's do line 3. 1, 2, line 3, go. Line 4. we go. 1, 2, have fun. 1, 2, ready, go. Line 2. Line 3. Line 4. Okay, so your homework for today is twofold. First, master this song, and even if it doesn't sound great, at least get it to the point where all of the notes are ringing when you pick on them. And second, choose another song from the list or from the printable to learn on your own. Like, this is a song that I'm not going to coach you through. It's one that you're going to figure out by yourself, because the goal of this 30-day challenge is to get you to the point where you can fly on your own wings. So I want you to kind of start playing with that and experimenting with like reading tab on your own. And remember, thousands of people are watching this, so you're not alone in your journey or making mistakes. So please ask any questions that you have in the comments below. Alrighty, have fun with your practice. Tag me on social media if you're participating in the challenge, because that way I can give you feedback and enjoy your progress and your growth. And I will see you in tomorrow's video. Sayonara!